Each English sentence in this video will be played 4 times to help you practice your listening and speaking skills. The first time, just listen carefully and try to understand the meaning. The next 3 times, repeat the sentence aloud after you hear it. Try to match the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as you can. I want to share something with you.
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 I want you to know you're forgiven.
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 I want you to remember this moment.
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 I want to thank you for helping me.
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 I want you to come with us tonight.
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 I want you to know that I love you.
I want you to know that I love you.
I want you to know that I love you.
I want you to know that I love you.
I want you to do me one last favor.
I want you to do me one last favor.
I want you to do me one last favor.
I want you to do me one last favor.
I very much want to speak with you.
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 I want to plant a vegetable garden.
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 I want something cold to drink now.
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 I usually take a bath after dinner.
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 I want brown shoes, not black ones.
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 I want to stay at the Hilton Hotel.
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 I want to stand out from the crowd.
I want to stand out from the crowd.
I I want to stand out from the crowd.
I want to stand out from the crowd.
I want people to feel at home here.
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 I want to be very clear about that.
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 I want to finish this work by 5.
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 I want to hear what Alex has to say.
I want to hear what Alex has to say.
I want to hear what Alex has to say.
I want to hear what Alex has to say.
I want to know about Alex's new job.
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 I want to know how long it'll take.
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 I want to see my friends in Canada.
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 I want to see what there is inside.
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 I want to show you something first.
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 I want to spend more time with Alex.
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 I want to show you something great.
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 I want to spend some time with you.
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 I took a taxi to the train station.
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 I want to go wherever you're going.
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 I understand you're a student here.
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 I want to keep the promises I made.
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 I took the little girl by the hand.
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 I want to be that doctor's patient.
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 I tried to write with my left hand.
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 I tried to explain my ideas to Alex.
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 I tried to listen to him carefully.
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 I usually eat rice with chopsticks.
I usually eat rice with chopsticks.
I usually eat rice with chopsticks.
I usually eat rice with chopsticks.